Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about RRB Paramedical Nursing Superintendent 29th April 2025 third shift question answer part 1. Let's start. The first question: which immunity leads to development of autoimmune disorder in an individual? Option A, natural immunity. Option B, active immunity. Option C, passive immunity. Option D, autoimmunity. The correct option is option D, autoimmunity. If a mother previously delivered a child with neural tube defect, to prevent neural tube defect in second child, the mother should take dash folic acid per day. Option A, 1.4 mg per day. Option B, 0.6 mg per day. Option C, 2 mg per day. Option D, 0.4 mg per day. The correct option is option A, 1.4 mg per day. As a prophylactic measure, dash is used to prevent chemotherapy induced neutropenic when highly myelosuppressive chemotherapy drugs are used. Option A, platelet transfusion. Option B, WBC growth factors. Option C, antibiotics. Option D, blood transfusion. The correct option is option B, WBC growth factors. The type of reasoning that involves drawing specific conclusions from general principle is called dash. Option A, deductive reasoning. Option B, analogical reasoning. Option C, abductive reasoning. Option D, inductive reasoning. The correct option is option A, deductive reasoning. Which of the following is a cell cycle specific drug that targets the M phase? Option A, methotrexate. Option B, cisplatin. Option C, cyclophosphamide. Option D, paclitaxel. The correct option is option D, paclitaxel. An example of adjuvant analgesic therapy for pain management is dash. Option A, partial agonist. Option B, non-salicylate. Option C, GABA receptor agonist. Option D, mixed agonist antagonist. The correct option is option C, GABA receptor agonist. The salmonellosis infection is transmitted through option A, air. Option B, vector. Option C, contaminated food and water. Option D, fomites. The correct option is option C, contaminated food and water. Which psychological development is at its peak during early adulthood, 20 to 40 years? Option A, sensory abilities. Option B, social connectedness. Option C, intellectual abilities. Option D, physical abilities. The correct option is option B, social connectedness. In a scenario where multiple trauma patients arrive simultaneously along with orthopedic injuries, the ethical principle that guides resource allocation is dash. Option A, autonomy. Option B, beneficence. Option C, justice. Option D, fidelity. The correct option is option C, justice. The strength of relationships among research variable for calculating sample size for quantitative study is based on dash. Option A, attrition problems. Option B, homogeneity of the population. Option C, power analysis. Option D, subgroup analysis. The correct option is option C, power analysis. Study of cells collected by fine needle aspiration of superficial and deep-seated lesions for diagnosis of pathological condition is termed as dash. Option A, cytopathology. Option B, molecular pathology. Option C, medical genetics. Option D, hematology. The correct option is option A, cytopathology. The chest pain that occurs intermittently over a long period with the same pattern of onset, duration, and intensity of symptoms is called dash. Option A, Prince-Metal's angina. Option B, angina decubitus. Option C, unstable angina. Option D, chronic stable angina. The correct option is option D, chronic stable angina. In a placenta previa condition, the maternal complication is seen during labor is option A, slow dilation of the cervix. Option B, premature labor. Option C, malpresentation. Option D, retained placenta. The correct option is option D, retained placenta. Dash is an endogamous group associated with traditional occupations. Option A, slavery. Option B, class. Option C, estate. Option D, caste. The correct option is option D, caste. The National Mental Health Program was launched in the year dash with a goal to ensure availability of mental health care services for all. Option A, 1972. Option B, 1992. Option C, 1962. Option D, 1982. The correct option is option D, 1982. According to Freud, the part of the mind that is most associated with ineffective personalities development is option A, unconscious. Option B, conscious. Option C, subconscious. Option D, semi-conscious. The correct option is option A, unconscious. In partograph, pulse is recorded every 30 minutes and is marked with a dash. Option A, PR. Option B, cross. Option C, arrows. Option D, dot. The correct option is option D, dot. Which is an example of a reversible morphological change? Option A, fibrosis. Option B, atrophy. Option C, necrosis. Option D, cellular swelling. The correct option is option D, cellular swelling. In the child guidance clinic, dash is an important component parent education. Option A, keep the child isolated. Option B, strengthening family interaction. Option C, avoid too much interaction with the family. Option D, give freedom to the child. The correct option is option B, strengthening family interaction. Following is the management of severe hemolytic disease of the newborn due to Rh incompatibility except option A, exchange transfusion. Option B, antibiotics. Option C, phototherapy. Option D, IV immunoglobulins. The correct option is option B, antibiotics. The Association of Nursing Superintendent is currently known as option A, Trained Nurses Association of India. Option B, Asian Catholic Nurses Association. Option C, Indian Society of Nurses. Option D, Indian Association of Nurses. The correct option is option A, Trained Nurses Association of India. The parathyroid glands are partially embedded in which surface of the lateral lobes of the thyroid? Option A, posterior. Option B, upper. Option C, lower. Option D, anterior. The correct option is option A, posterior. Which of the following tissue inflammation is treated by administering the drug palzalazide? Option A, renal mucosa. Option B, bowel mucosa. Option C, olfactory mucosa. Option D, venereal mucosa. The correct option is option B, bowel mucosa. The process by which the placental site heals during puerperium is called dash. Option A, granulation. Option B, cicatrization. Option C, decidual shedding. Option D, regeneration. The correct option is option D, regeneration. What cranial nerve abnormalities may be seen in children with chronic hydrocephalus? Option A, tongue deviation, CN12. Option B, impaired upward gaze, sunset eyes, CN3. Option C, facial paralysis. Option D. Loss of smell, CN1. The correct option is option B. Impaired upward gaze, sunset eyes, CN3. Which of the following can inhibit the formation of myometrial gap junctions? Option A. Prostaglandins. Option B. Progesterone. Option C. Estrogen. Option D. Oxytocin. The correct option is option B. Progesterone. Which artery supplies blood to the large intestine? Option A. Phrenic artery. Option B. Mesenteric artery. Option C. Celiac artery. Option D. Rectal artery. The correct option is option B. Mesenteric artery. A key performance indicator specific to orthopedic nursing that should be monitored regularly is dash. Option A. Number of laboratory tests ordered. Option B. Functional improvement from admission to discharge. Option C. Patient gender distribution. Option D. Overall hospital mortality. The correct option is option B. Functional improvement from admission to discharge. Which guideline is used for writing report for randomized control trial research study? Option A. PRISMA. Option B. STOPE. Option C. Equator. Option D. CONSORT. The correct option is option D. CONSORT. A patient who decides to leave the hospital against medical advice (LAMA) must sign a form. What is the purpose of this form? Option A. To indicate the patient wishes. Option B. To ethically illustrate that the patient has control of his or her own care and treatment. Option C. To use in the event of readmission. Option D. To release the physician and hospital from legal responsibilities for the patient health status. The correct option is option D. To release the physician and hospital from legal responsibilities for the patient health status. In third stage of labor, patient experiences intermittent discomfort in the lower abdomen during expulsion of placenta. It is due to dash. Option A. Episiotomy. Option B. Dilation of vagina. Option C. Distension of bladder. Option D. Uterine contraction. The correct option is option D. Uterine contraction. The risk factor of hypercalcemia is option A. Prolonged immobilization. Option B. Alcohol. Option C. Malabsorption. Option D. Sepsis. The correct option is option A. Prolonged immobilization. In which among the following wound healing process the synthesis of collagen occur? Option A. Maturation phase. Option B. Inflammatory phase. Option C. Hemostasis phase. Option D. Granulation phase. The correct option is option D. Granulation phase. Which of the following is not an indication for genetic counseling in a pregnant woman? Option A. Routine pregnancy checkup without any concern. Option B. A family history of known genetic condition. Option C. Consanguinity. Option D. Advanced maternal age. The correct option is option A. Routine pregnancy checkup without any concern. Early puerperium begins as soon as the placenta is expelled and lasts dash. Option A. Up to 6 months. Option B. Up to 6 weeks. Option C. Up to 6 days. Option D. Within 24 hours. The correct option is option C. Up to 7 days. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.